Ulinco has long experience as a supplier of rubber products and rubber technology solutions to demanding customers in the Nordic industry. Rubber is our speciality. Ulinco offers responsible and long-term solutions to their customers. Our core values are focus on the customer, open mind and honesty, working in a healthy and safe environment. Our main customer segments are heavy vehicles, energy, HVAC, marine, machine builders, railway. We have developed and supplied thousands of rubber parts in most rubber materials. In close cooperation with our customers, we offer technical design and consultation, variety of material, specifications and standards, evaluation of suitable manufacturing techniques, quality of production partners, and environmental documentation. We offer logistic solutions suitable for just-in-time delivery and implementation of customer packing instructions. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.ulinco.se.